Wait, you have to wait for everybody to get a piece. Because it's no fair to eat without them.
Without who?
Without Monkey and me and you. There.
Alright. I got 2 forks.
Nope, that one's Monkey's, remember?
Oh.
Monkey. Oh, not that. Okay, now we can eat.
Alright. Can we eat some candles?
No.
Huh?
No, you can lick the bottom though.
Of the candle?
Because there's icing.
Hey, maybe they're candy candles.
Oh, Grandpa, remember that candy lip gloss you got me?
Yeah?
It's the fruit lip gloss.
Yeah.
I tried grape, strawberry, but no cherry.
Why?
I don't know.
We didn't have it?
I don't know. No. Free cheers for the birthday boy, girl, and boy.
3 cheers. Hip, hip.
Hooray! Woohoo!
Hip, hip.
Hooray!
Hip, hip.
Woohoo! I'm right here. Oh, Hayden.
Hey, then you come over and sing happy birthday to the monkey, too. We're singing happy birthday to the monkey.
1 minute. I have to get an extra plate for
Let's-
Hayden. Can I push your phone?
We're singing happy birthday.
Hayden, no, that's not yours. That's Grandpa's. I'll get you a piece. Hey, I'm going to put a phone.
Huh?
Can I push your phone?
Not right yet. In a minute you can.
What are you doing?
We're singing happy birthday to the monkey.
1
You
minute.
gonna sing?
Happy birthday!
Who are you looking for?
We're on video!
That's right. What?
Don't make me uninvite you. I can do that.
Why would you do that?
Because there's no videos at the party.
Are you serious?